What's up guys, today we're playing Firework Playground. You guys have a time playing it? Oh, wow. And as you expect, shoot fireworks. Now, light speed. Screamer. I have no idea what I would say that's. What is it? Ah. And then green, red, blue. Hey. Okay. Wow. Wow. It's so beautiful. Wow. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, how many are there? Let's do one more. Now, I want to have, like, we're gonna have some of the powerful ones, not the weak ones. Oh, the ones that look powerful. And this will be the last one. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Oh. Wow. All I can see is blue. That is beautiful. Still gone. Done? Guess I should end it here now. If you want to play with me, that's my name, as you can see. Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. And just see you in the next one.